Hello, welcome to Driving with AAPEX. Today we have one of our in-class and in-car instructors with us. Her name is Christine and she's fabulous. Hello, Christine.
Hello, how are you?
I'm awesome. So today we're going to be talking about stopping positions.
Most certainly, yes.
And it sounds like an easy thing. Oh, you just stop by the line or whatever. But there's a little more to it. So I'm going to let Christine take over now and tell us.
Yes, most definitely. Unfortunately, a lot of people think it's the stop sign, but it's not. The stop sign is only there to tell you have to stop. So your three legal stopping positions at a stop sign are, the first one that you want to look for is the solid white line. And you want to make sure when you approach that your vehicle is completely behind that first one. If there's no white line, then the next one would be the crosswalk or sidewalk. Now, sometimes that can be a little tricky because sometimes there's a crosswalk, sometimes there's a sidewalk, and sometimes there's only one sidewalk on one side. So you have to make sure when you're approaching that you look at both sides. So you want to make sure that you look at both sides to see which sidewalk is the closest one to you, and that's the one you need to stop behind.
So I've been sitting here nodding because it never dawned on me that I would actually have to check both sides.
Yeah. And then your last one's the edge of the road. So if there isn't a white line, no crosswalk, no sidewalk, then your last one would be the edge of the road. Now, here's another thing that you want to do. When you're approaching your stop sign, you want to ask yourself 3 questions.
Oh.
And the first question would be, what kind of a stop sign is it? Is it a two-way or is it an all-way? And then the next question is, where's my legal stopping position? So you're going to look for one of those 3. Come to a full stop. And then the last question is, what's my procedure? Because it's a different procedure for a two-way than it is for an all-way. And there you have it. So that's all the information for your legal stopping positions. And of course, if you have any more questions or concerns, you can contact AAPEX and most definitely ask for me for your instructor for Welland. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
And thank you so much for Christine. So to sum it all up, our 3 positions are number 1,
a solid white line.
Number 2,
crosswalk or sidewalk.
Number 3,
and of course, the last one, the edge of the road.
And we're going to be back with Christine another time because we've definitely got to talk about the difference between the 2-way stop, the 4-way stop, and what the procedures are for each of them. So be sure to hit the like, follow, subscribe, however you're listening to this podcast. And again, if you have any questions, call us at AAPEX, 1-800-463-1436. Bye!